Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I am so excited because I get to talk about roses, you guys, and I love roses so much. Roses are actually my favorite flower, and so Rose Forever New York reached out to me and asked me if I would like to pick another bouquet out and review it with you guys, and I said absolutely 100% yes. Yes. I actually put all three of the arrangements that they have sent me. I don't know if you can see in this video behind me, but they're in my the orange right there, the red, and there's a pink one right here. I'm not sure if it's showing. They have sent me all of these and they are absolutely gorgeous, friends. And I definitely love this company and the roses that they send. They last for up to a year. Now, they're allergen free. They are no needing to water them, which I'm like loving. And they are just gorgeous. They feel like, like you touch them and they're like soft, like, cause they're real roses. And I've mentioned this before, but I have them whenever I have like get-togethers. I put these roses on my table as like centerpieces, and people are like, what? No way. These are gonna last a year and they're real roses. I said, yes, they're real. And I love it. I totally love it. And I've actually had, family over and I'm like, you should get this for your office. And like, I'm telling them what to, because these are that gorgeous, you guys. Like, I really think these are amazing. So they sent me another one. Now this is for Valentine's Day. I chose this one for Valentine's Day. Basically, it's going to be so cute, you guys. I mean, before I start though, I do want to mention they've actually added some things to their website. So here's the box. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do this with you guys on camera, but they actually have added hydrangeas now to their flowers that last a year. So Rose Forever New York has added hydrangeas. Now that is something I definitely want to try next because I love hydrangeas, and spring is coming up, so those will be so gorgeous. Now, if you've never been on the Rose Forever New York website, they have so many options to choose from. They have different quantity of roses to choose from. They have different hat box sizes, shapes. They have like this kind of like clear acrylic looking box where you could put your they arrange the flowers, of course, and they put them in there. You could do black hat boxes. They have smaller assortments, like I said, bigger assortments, and the color variety, there's so many choices. I mean, they have yellow, blue, I think they have black, I think they have gold, I mean the orange. I mean, as you can see, some of the colors behind me, like beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So without further ado, let's get into this haul. Actually, before I get into this haul or to this unboxing, they did give me some coupon codes to share with you guys. So I will put those in my description box below me because I want to share those with you. So $30 discount code if you use the code MESARASTARR30. Okay, so that's $30 discount code. And there's also a code for free shipping for worldwide. Okay, so worldwide, the code is going to be influencer. So I want to mention those two things, those two coupon codes. And and I actually wore my rose earrings here, my hoop earrings, because I am like so ready for Valentine's Day, you guys. I am so ready. I love Valentine's Day, and we are getting closer to Valentine's Day. And like I said, these are great for all year round. Like, these are going to last me a year, but I chose a heart-shaped box. And I don't know if I mentioned that before, but let's get into this. I am so excited to see how this is. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and just open up this box. And they smell so good too. That's the thing about these. They smell so good. And when I was like when I was in like third grade, I think second or third grade, I was in a play, and I was named Rose in the play. So I totally I think my name was another name. Like, I was supposed to have a different part of the play. And then I asked my best friend, I'm like, can I be her? Cause I really like the name Rose. So I switched. So I was Rose in the play. So it goes back to even when I was a kid. I really do love roses. They're so beautiful, so classic. They're just like, so, they just are timeless to me. I love the look of roses. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open the box. It looks just like this, okay? And let me go ahead, take this out and see what this says again. Care instructions, how to protect your preserved roses. So you get all your information here. If dust collects after a few months, you can simply brush it away with a soft brush to gently brush off the dust. Please avoid touching the petals as this could affect their lifespan. Please don't water the roses or treat them with other care products. And then there's some other things they mentioned. So like I mentioned before, one of my family members I had these out at I think it was the pink set, the pink one behind me. I had it at Thanksgiving, and my dad was touching them, and I'm like, Dad, though, you can't touch them. They're like real. I mean, they're not going to grow back, so don't touch them. So it was really funny. So anyways, all right, you guys, I'm so proud of these flowers that I just really like to show them off when I have company over. So here we go, friends. Let's get into this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Already, I know this is going to be amazing. So here we have the heart shape, you guys. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So I chose the black heart shape Parisian style hat box. Oh my gosh, because I love the hat box style. I love that because you can, also that timeless look of the hat boxes. But you can, I never put the lid on them, but I love that they come with a lid because I just feel like that's extra, they didn't have to do that. And look at how cute. Oh my gosh, let's take this off. This is like fantastic. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we have the shape of the box. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Just like my other boxes. Again, the orange one behind me is the same kind of velvet, Parisian style, vegan hat box. So here is the height of it. And it does say Rose Forever, New York, right here on the side. And nice height. This is so precious. Okay, let's get into what it looks like, the roses. Oh my gosh. So I chose, let me open it up. You might have seen the thumbnail already what I chose, but these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. You guys, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, they smell so good. I love these. I'm going to go in closer so you can see. I love that they're in the shape of a heart. How perfect for Valentine's Day. Even like a proposal, weddings, bridal shower gift. There's so many, ways to gift these, not just for Valentine's Day. It's the gift I feel like that keeps on giving because these do last for so long. They really do. I really enjoy my flowers and I move them around my house. Like wherever, how I set up my decor, for each season and that type of thing, I have moved them around my house. And it just fancies up the space and it adds a touch of elegance. And I mean, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And look how they come out of, you can see them out of the box a little bit. I love the height of that, like what they did. These are like handcrafted. And I mean, the beautiful black velvet box. Oh my gosh, I love how romantic. It's in the shape of a heart. I mean, seriously, friends, here's I love them. And they don't need to be watered, which I love. So I'm going to go in closer again because I want the camera to pick up the beautiful detail of these roses. Simply stunning. I am beyond thrilled to have these in this is, I think, going to go in my front room. Like when you walk in, I have this whole Valentine setup and on a table. And so I might put it there because I want to see these every time I walk through the door. I want to see these all the time, especially for Valentine's Day with my decor. I mean, look, I have a red ring with a heart. I mean, I love hearts, you guys. As you know, I wear a lot of heart jewelry and that type of thing. But I mean, these are just, let me see these a little closer too. They're so pretty. There's 36 in here. I believe I ordered the 36. This should be 36. I think it comes in, I have to look back at the website, but there's different quantity and this should be the 36 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the 36 count. But anyways, you guys, this, again, let me show it with the lid on it and show you what it looks like with the lid. So these lids are so nicely made. They are definitely quality as well. And I mean, like I said, I'm not going to ever put the lid on it unless I'm moving it around the house. Maybe I put the lid on it, but look at how, I mean, it fits so nice. Also, you can put the lid underneath, which raises up the hat box and makes it a little bit higher. So it will sit in there like so. You see that? And it brings it up. So either way, there's no wrong way to do it. It's however your preference is. But again, friends, this comes in like pink, I want to say. Like the rose selection, you can choose blue, white, I think, or there's black, there's yellow, I think. There's like so many. It was so hard to narrow it down because I love pops of color. But I chose red because I have a lot of red Valentine, you know, red and pink. And I already had pink and I already have red behind me in the circular hat box. So I wanted to do the red roses again because I love red. Red's like one of my favorite colors as well. But yeah, I want to try the hydrangeas. That is the next one I want to try because they look gorgeous. You'll see them on the website and they come in like a ceramic. It looks like a ceramic, like white vase. They also have another one I'm interested in trying and seeing is the roses. They have, I think it comes in like 2 or 3. It's like a long stem rose. I'm like, oh my gosh, that sounds amazing as well. So it's, again, a real rose and it's in like a vase and it's going to be like, you know, higher height, you know, it's because it's in a vase. So all different heights and I just love that. So there's a lot of, they even sell, I think, them in 3, like a count of 3, like, and it's a single rose and they come in a set of 3. So there's a lot of different designs in this with this store here with Rose Forever New York. There's just something for everybody, really something for everybody. So anyways, you guys, that is, let me go ahead and one more time, going closer, make sure the camera is catching the beauty of this beautiful Valentine heart rose box. Oh my gosh. I mean, and you know, roses during Valentine's Day are very expensive. Like if you go to the, you know, the grocery store, florist, they are going to be more pricey. Typically they are because it's Valentine's Day, just like Mother's Day. My husband and I got married on Mother's Day and we didn't think ahead that the flowers would be really, really super expensive on Mother's Day for our wedding. Like the florals were way more pricier because we actually got married on Mother's Day. So, you know, that's another thing to think about too, that the price of these in comparison to, you know, going to the grocery store, going to a florist, which, you know, they have beautiful flowers as well, but the prices are going to be probably a lot higher, of course, because it's Valentine's Day. So anyways, I did want to point that out, but this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You'll be seeing these in some upcoming videos. I do want to display them a lot because I'm proud of them. I think they're absolutely stunning. And I just, oops, I'm just wanting to like, I'm so excited. I'm almost dropping it. But yeah, I'm just like so excited about these. Anyways, here's a little closer view of it one more time. I mean, that heart is like a perfectly heart. Like, do you see how perfectly shaped that is? It's like definitely a heart. I love that. And here's a profile view of it like that. I love how they stick out of the box. I think that's so cute. Gives it some height and some, you know, dimension and that type of thing. And again, they feel so good. Like they're soft and silky and they smell just like roses. I mean, the best of both worlds. I mean, these are just so gorgeous. So anyways, again, friends, the codes I will put in the description box below me and any links that will be helpful to take you over to the website to see what they have there. And again, I'll put the Rose Forever New York website in my description as well. You can click on that. It'll take you right over there as well if you'd like. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video. But thank you so much, friends, for being here. I do appreciate you spending your time with me. And I will see you all very soon with another store walkthrough, haul, or both. And so yeah, so I also would love to hear what you think like your favorite rose color is. Like for me, I think it's going to be red, but I also, it's hard because I love all the colors, but I think red is my favorite. And then like I said, when I chose this, I had a hard time even choosing because I was thinking back. Pink is really pretty, blue, yeah, I mean yellow. So like I said, I would love to hear what you would, if you're going to order it, or if what color you would choose and that type of thing. And I mean, how precious is this? So anyways, you guys, thank you again so much for being here. I truly appreciate you all so much. And I will see you all, I promise, very, very soon. All right. So till next time, friends, take care and God bless you always. I'll see you soon. Happy shopping. Bye, friends. See you soon. Ciao. See you soon. Bye.